gone a week and I haven't seen my goats or my sheep in a week, or the chickens. So let's go see them. Hi. Come on. Hi. Yeah, there's your teeter-totter. What are you doing? Buckeye, you've gotten fat. Rio, you've gotten so big. Yeah, you waited to have your babies? Good. Hi, Chivo. What you doing? Huh? Hey, you sitting in front of the fan cheese? Hi, pretty girl. Higgins, how are you? You coming to see me? Flagga. Hi. Hi. I see ya. Yeah, you good boy. Did you miss me? Yeah, I missed you. Crazy Beanie. Hi. You're such a good girl. Buggy. Hi, Bug Bug. Can't reach your ball. Ready? Hi, Bella and babies. You babies have gotten so big. And then Mallory and Pancake. Hi, guys. Oh, okay. You gonna get her?